Okay, guys, we are back. We just lost some time there. We have drawn our land here, and we lost quite a number of huge time there. So we're just gonna go ahead with our plan. We just attack here. It's unfortunate that we got disconnected at some point and lost around 4 to 5 minutes of game time. That would mean that we cannot spend much time later on our second round if we don't have any or we can't really establish or get the board. Then probably it's worth quitting at around 7 minutes clock left on our side. So he's gonna attack here. Our best hope is to get another land. Swift Justice, that's gonna gain him one more life. I'm not sure if it's gonna be relevant. So that's another land there. We have our options on what to and how to finish him now. And I think I'm just gonna cast blood here. No, that's not the case. Let's go for an explosive impact, which hopefully doesn't get psychic strike. I'm sorry guys, but I really need to finish this at this point because we don't have a we don't have enough room for stalling the board. Okay, that was quite okay. I think from the looks of things, it doesn't seem to be running a lot of creatures, which is kinda okay. I'm not sure if I'll bring in a Liev's degree here. It's probably worth bringing in a Liev's degree, and then take out my experiment one because I don't really, unless we get lucky, we can have an forest and an experiment one on our hand, but that should be very greedy. Anyway, I don't really see. He has quite some flyers there, which might be a problem for us. So I'm not sure if I need to bring in a beacon operation, but it's not gonna help that much anyway. Mm, okay, let's just submit our deck. We haven't seen really much of the things that he has brought. The problem is we don't have much time. So at 7 or probably 6 minutes on our clock, if we don't have a really good position on the board, then it's probably worth. I'm gonna mulligan this. It's quite a slow hand actually, and then mulligan this again. Okay, we're gonna keep this one. So we're gonna rush things here a bit because we don't have much time. Good thing we are drawing our lands, and I'm quite happy to draw the 3 lands that we need. Realm rights, okay. So it's our yeah, okay. Um Tenement Crusher is not really an ideal draw there. So from the looks of things, he might be ramping to something big, but I'm not really sure what's going on here. So let's just keep playing our lands. Then hopefully we can bring in something good. Okay, Rakdos Drake is not so bad. So at some point there we might annihilate that Rakdos Drake, but given that we've drawn our Hendrix, then probably not really gonna look to doing that. That's a pretty nice top deck. So let's see what's this is. It's a Liev Sky Knight, so we're gonna take, I think, some damage from the Drake. So those are the quality Azurius cards that we just passed earlier. Pretty sad to see the Boros Mastiff. That's okay, but I'd rather just play this um, Armory Guard. That way, if we get another land later, we can play both Boros Mastiff and the Annihilating Fire on Yev or that flyer of his. Shambler is okay. Okay, that's nice. 3-5. I think we can start attacking here. Not really sure though if he'll trade with his Liev Sky Knight. We can take out this one just to make sure it hits because either way it's the same thing. Nothing really much variance there, and unless we're running into a psychic strike here. Oh, let's see how the block goes. Okay, so that was a pretty good hit there. And then we will use the Boros Mastiff. Okay, let's see what happens here. He could have ramped to a something big. I'm just quite worried, or merciless eviction. It's just gonna wreck us here. Okay, Daverdrome Imp is a pretty good draw for him there. Guildgate. So what I'll do here is just I'll attack with these two guys. I don't want to be trading with that Dragardrome Imp, but this will quickly become a 3-3 anyway, so he might just start gaining more life. I think the play would be to just attack with everything and gain a lifelink of our own. because if we wait for a turn and don't attack with our Skyjack, this one will get sure shambler, and then we're just gonna end up trading here. But there's a play I think from his side. Not really sure what the clue stone. Okay, he wanted to draw another card. We have to be very mindful of our time though. Okay, so he blocks with everything. I'm gonna place the imp on the front and then the shambler as well. Okay. Our clock is running down quite bad here, so let's see what's gonna happen. This could be his big spell here, but I'm quite okay. Guardian of the Gateless. Okay, we're happy to take another hit from this guy here. Another mountain. I think I'm just gonna play the Crusher, and then we bash again. We are looking at least at 4 damage, so that brings him down to 3. I'm not sure if that's enough, but if we happen to draw any of our burn spells, then that's a big game for us. And he has to deal with the Tenement Crusher also. Okay, that was nice. Yeah, we're happy to do that. This is a draft Swiss anyway, so we're just gonna pause. I'm sorry for the part two of our game there because we lost connection. I'll just pause and then take a quick break here, and we'll see you for round two.